So, if you're gonna look at the shoulder, it's rounded, di ba? Rounded. Tama ba? Rounded. So, ito, okay, this one, alright, this bone here is your acromion process. Itong dalawang to is your acromioclavicular joint. Naintindihan ba? So, sabi ko nga, di ba, hindi nyo kailangan mag-kodigo kasi lahat naman kayo may ganyan. Alright, so, itong roundness of the shoulder is brought about by the deltoids. Yung deltoids muscle na ito is being pushed into its roundness by the greater tuberosity underneath. So, ito yung greater tuberosity. On top of that is your deltoid muscle. Naintindihan? So, to test for inferior instability, you position the shoulder in neutral. Position the shoulder in neutral. Pagkatapos, you flex the elbow to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. You will watch out for the roundness of the shoulder. Alright, for this test. Tingnan nyo nakalagay, di ba? Hinila nung trainer pababa. Yung forearm pababa. Hinila niya inferiorly. Alright, hinila niya inferiorly. Kapag negative yung test, the roundness of the shoulders will not will not change. Round pa din siya kasi stable yung shoulder. Kahit hinila mo siya pababa, the glenoid fossa and the head of the humerus stays within. Naintindihan? Stays within. Now, kapag hinila ko siya pababa at nagkaroon ng parang step, humiwalay yung acromion process dun sa head of humerus, you have a little bit of a test para may sulcus, may ganon siya. Alright, so test natin ha. Relax lang. Dapat relax. Again, kapag hindi relax, kapag nagko-contract ang deltoids at saka ang supraspinatus, false negative. So dapat relax siya. Sige, relax lang, relax. And I'll push down. Nakita nyo? Hindi. Nakita nyo? Alright, so relax. Ayun siya. Nakita niyo guys?
Nakita ko.
Did you see that? Yes. Alright, so may inferior instability yung ating client sa palaw.
Mark, harap pa dito.
Alright, so you will see dito, yung shoulder is round. Relax lang, relax. And kapag hindi na kapababa, nakikita niyo yung acromion process niya, tsaka yung clavicle, na iiwan dito sa taas, yung humerus bumababa. Nakita ba? Hindi. Relax ulit. This is still medyo